Hey folks, welcome back to Who's That Girl? It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer. And in today's video, we are going to be showcasing this beautiful curly wig right here. Shout out to my sponsor, my goddaughter, who went ahead and purchased this wig for me. Thank you, baby girl. Appreciate you so much. Come on, guys, let's go ahead and get into this wig. Now, I got this from, like I said, my goddaughter. She's my sponsor this week. This is the WhatLace Collection. I think she got this off of Amazon to be exact, but I'll link her down below. She is from Sensational ButtaLace Collection, Butta Unit number 5 in the color number 2. Now, she is virtually undetected, blends with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand tie parting area. She's pre-plucked with baby hairs and she has a natural density. So this is what Miss Thing is looking like straight out the box. And I'm not gonna lie, she's definitely giving some looks, baby. She's giving some looks. This is what the front of her hairline is giving. She's very soft, bouncy curls. She didn't shed or tangle too much. Now her cap construction, she has the 2 combs on the front of the nape area, the one in the back. She has an adjustable strap as well as an adjustable elastic band, and she came with like a ventilated cap. She is supposed to be a glueless wig. That's what the adjustable strap is for. And she is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I am just trying on the wig for the first time. And I'm not going to lie, she was extremely tight. I can't say she's big head friendly. She did come kind of sort of ear to ear, but like I said, she was extremely tight. I had to take her off and then take off the elastic band because it was just giving me a headache. Said she does come ear to ear, but she is a really tight fit if you use the elastic band, the adjustable well, it's not even adjustable, the elastic band. All right, I already applied my foundation to color the lace, and I'm pushing my hair back to start this install. Now, this adhesive spray was by Ruby's Kiss, and I did not like it at all. She flaked up so bad, it was ridiculous. Like, definitely would not recommend. I actually threw that right in the trash. I'm going back to my got to be. So I'm going to go ahead and shut up and just go ahead and apply this wig. You know the routine. We're gonna lay her down, we're gonna glue her, we're gonna cut her, we're gonna blend her, we're gonna do everything we need to do to get Miss ButtaLace number 5 and the number 2 all the way together. So come on, let's go ahead and finish off the rest of this video. Guys, do me a favor, please, 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 please be careful when you're using a razor like the way that I'm doing. I ended up cutting my forehead a few places and didn't even realize up until it was time for me to spray my hair again, and that ish burned really bad. So don't cut the wigs off like me. I think I might go back to the scissors because, baby, the way this was feeling, not nice at all. Not nice. All right, let's get back to this video. Now that I got her all the way together, I'm just pretty much framing her to my face. I could have did a little bit better with the cutting, but I didn't want to get too scissor happy. Let me just go ahead and give you my thoughts on Miss Butta Unit number 5. I really like this wig. She's a perfect summertime wig. You can dress her up, you can dress her down. Would I buy her again? I definitely would. I wouldn't even hesitate. And all the 12 different colors that she comes in, she would probably eat. But this number 2, baby, got me feeling myself. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Got me feeling myself. Where would I wear her to? This thing needs to be seen. I'm sorry. I know it's hot outside in the summer and you're out there and you don't want all this big hair. But certain places and certain events and certain things that you're doing this summer, she is the it girl to grab, to put on and suffer just for a little bit. Just suffer for. My mama always told me, if you want to look beautiful, you gotta suffer. Put this big beautiful curly wig on your head with that beautiful sundress and go about your business. You hear me? Trust me, the compliments will flow. Okay? Listen, if you happen to like what you see in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, baby, you will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks, thank you for sticking all the way to the end to watch this video. I really do appreciate it, and it helps a girl out. Alright, see you in my next one. Later.